Hi guys, welcome to the commonly asked questions about ACCA session. And in this session, we will be talking about the most commonly asked questions about ACCA. So let's begin. Firstly, we have how many have you completed? Like how many exams have I completed? And give some insight about your journey. So right now I'm 21 years of age and I am currently pursuing my BCom also apart from ACCA. And in my third year, I started ACCA when after 12th it was lockdown. I remember, and it took me approximately 6 to 7 months to complete the knowledge level, which is F1 to F4, which I know is a lot, but back in the day I was not really inclined towards ACCA. Like I was not reading it well and I was not consistent basically because 12th has just had just ended and I was just in a relaxed mode. But after I completed my four exams, the knowledge level, then I was pretty serious and I did not miss any of the attempt. And in each attempt, I gave my skill level exam, and by God's grace, I was able to pass all of them in the first attempt, the skill level. And then in September 2022, I gave my SBR, which I cleared. Then after that, I gave AAA in December attempt, which I failed by only 4 marks. I got 46. And yeah, that's all. And then in March, this attempt, I gave my two exams, which is SBL and AAA again. And hopefully, we'll pass this time. And then we'll be left with only one exam. So that is the journey, and it has been very fruitful for me, very challenging at times, but yet very interesting throughout. So yeah, that's that. Next question was, I'm starting with my first paper of ACCA. Any tips? So first of all, congratulations for starting your ACCA journey. I would just say that don't repeat my mistake, which I did. Like you should give only approximately 1 month to one paper in the knowledge level because they're very basic papers and you can easily clear out the papers in like just 1 month. So if you're doing your first paper, just be confident. They're very basic questions and basic topics which you can do. We're also posting our F1 and F2 series on our YouTube page, so you can also follow them for kid sessions. So yeah. Next question, can we attend ACCA exams from home? This is the biggest, I would say, it is a biggest disadvantage also and an advantage also, that ACCA allows you to give your exams from your home. So yeah, there's an option for remote based exam and you can sit at your home at the comfort of your home and give your exams. But that comes with certain challenges. There may be some technical issues by the ACCA only. There might be some internet connection issue, there might be some electricity power issue, so that issues are there, but yes, you can attend your exams from your home. Next question, what is best self study of classes? Preferably I would say that if you're starting and if you don't know about the subject much, you should always take someone's help, some tutors or some videos or something in the starting. F1 to F4 are very basic paper, so if you have a commerce background, definitely you can do it by yourself. So self study is the best option. But if you are from some other background and you don't really know like the business aspects of it, so you should take some mentorship so that you can you don't flunk in any of the subjects. So that's that. Ideally, from when shall I start preparing for my next paper? Ideally, it is not any suitable time to start for your next paper. If you ask me, I start approximately 1 week after I gave my exam. So if I had my exam on Monday, I'll start from like Monday or like Friday in that week itself. So that is when I start my preparation, so that I'm done with my syllabus earlier, and there's only time for practice. So that's that. Next, which skill level exam to go for first? In my opinion, you should always go for FR, which is F7, financial reporting, because that is like the basic paper out of the lot. It has good pass rates, it has good connection with your F3, and most of the topics you would have done if you're from a commerce background. So that is the easy paper, also easy to go light on your head and studies. And if you want to go with two papers, then you can club FR and AA, because there's a lot of similarity between AA and FR. So that's that. attempts matter करते हैं क्या? So this question basically asks, does attempts, how many attempts we are giving, does it matter? Actually no. In Indian CA, if you talk about, it does matter a lot, but not in ACCA. It doesn't matter. There's an option on ACCA portal that only shows you your positive results if you have flunked in any. So attempts doesn't matter. So, next question, is ACCA easier than CA? It's not about being easier. It is about being. It is more convenient for you, since you only, there's a choice of with you that you want to give one paper, two paper at a time, three paper at a time, and maximum four. But I think CA doesn't give that leverage to you, so it's convenient. It's little easy, but it's not like ACCA is something which is very very simple. You can do it like in a minute or something. That's not like that, because most of the concepts are similar, are same, but it's just about the convenience and how. Because in a year there are only 4 attempts, 4 quarters, right? So you give exams according to that. So yeah. When can I start with my ACCA? You can start your ACCA journey after 12th, after 10th class. So after you have gotten your results, so 10th mark sheet is the supporting document which is needed with ACCA. So after 10th, you can start with your journey. What is the difference between affiliate and a member? Okay, so in ACCA, when you complete your 13 papers, you become an affiliate, right? And you become a member when you have 3 years working experience, right? So member, you become an affiliate after you complete your 13 papers, and after you have gotten your 3 years of professional working experience. After that, you become a member. So that is the difference between affiliate and a member. What is the pay package like after ACCA? It really depends in which companies you are working for. If you can easily get into big fours, accounting firms. You can also get into consulting firms. So it just depends on the company that you are taking, and what the packages they are offering. But it's pretty good. Like the starting is pretty good. So it just depends from company to company. Which professional option to go for? It generally depends on your expertise and your knowledge, your interest also. For example, I took AAA, and I am taking AFM. AAA I took because I really had an interest in audit, because I had studied in F8 and I really liked the subject. So that is the reason I took AAA. And AFM2 I'm taking because it's simple. It's not simple as such, but the concepts are really familiar. So you can go on with your interest. If you have interest in tax, then you can go with ATX. If you have interest in costing, then you can go with APM. If you have interest in auditing, then you can go with AAA, right? Next question. What about PM exam in your opinion? Is it easy or tough? It is a huge misconception, or like a myth amongst many of the ACCA students, that PM, which is F5, is the most difficult exam in skill level. But in my opinion, it is not like that. Even I have gotten so many people saying me that it is the toughest paper, do it at the end, do it at the end. And even me, I did at the end. Like I qualified all of the skill level papers, and after that I did my PM exam. So while doing the exam, it didn't seem like that it is very tough, or it is out of the box, out of the world kind of thing. It was very simple. If you have the right tutors with you, we will be having our post on the same, like our recommendations for the tutors on our Instagram page, which is BeingACCA. So you can look about that. And for PM, it was not that tough. It was just that I did a lot of practice, since I thought it was very difficult, right? So I did a lot of practice because of the same, and I was really tense that it is difficult. Is it like because of the pass rates also, right? Pass rates are really less as compared to the other um, skill level papers. But PM was just like other papers. It required practice, syllabus area I should know, and the concepts should be on my tips. That's all. That's that. And it's not easy or tough. It's in between. But as people say that it is very tough, you should do at the end or something like that. It's not like that. So just calm down and just do your syllabus area well and do enough practice. Next question. What does on-demand exam mean? So on-demand exam means they are only referred to for the knowledge level. So as in when you are done with your preparation, for example, if I'm doing F1 and I'm done with my preparation and I think that I can, give the exam and I will clear it, then I can easily book my exam. There's no option like for the skill level and the professional level, there's set timing that 4 quarters, in the 4 quarters only you can give the exams. But in on demand, it totally depends upon you. If you want to give next week, next to next week, next month, next to next month, it just depends upon you. So that is the meaning of demand based exams. Can we know our marks just after completing exams? I haven't attended any exams yet. I'm anxious. Okay. So yes, it is only and only in the knowledge level, the on-demand exams. As in when you submit your exam, that is the moment when you get your results on the hand only, right? As in when you complete your exam you will get your results. So that is only for F1, F2, FC and F4, and afterwards you will be getting after 1 month, which is the regular exam pattern. But for the knowledge level, yes, you can get after you have completed your paper, as in when you complete your paper, right? So that's all with the questions that we got on our Instagram. If you have any other questions, general questions, specific questions, you can DM us on our Instagram page, which is BeingACCA, or you can also comment down below. We may make a part 2 of the same. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.